In the world of personal development and success literature, few names stand as tall as Napoleon Hill. His groundbreaking book, Think and Grow Rich, has inspired millions of individuals to unleash their potential and achieve extraordinary success. Today, we delve into the key thoughts that lie at the heart of Hill's timeless masterpiece. One of the central principles emphasized by Napoleon Hill is the power of our thoughts. Hill firmly believed that our thoughts shape our reality and that whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. He encouraged readers to cultivate a positive mental attitude, to think big, and to visualize their desired outcomes with unwavering faith. Another cornerstone of Hill's philosophy is the importance of setting clear, well-defined goals. According to him, a definite and specific goal acts as a roadmap to success, giving us direction and purpose. He stressed the significance of writing down our goals, creating a detailed plan of action, and consistently taking steps towards their realization. Napoleon Hill understood that perseverance and persistence were crucial in the pursuit of success. He highlighted the concept of definiteness of purpose, which means having a burning desire backed by unwavering determination. Hill believed that temporary setbacks were merely stepping stones on the path to achievement and that those who persisted in the face of adversity would ultimately triumph. Think and Grow Rich also emphasizes the transformative power of building strong relationships and networks. Hill stressed the importance of surrounding ourselves with like-minded individuals who share our vision and can provide support, guidance, and valuable connections. He believed in the principle of the mastermind, where a group of individuals comes together to achieve greater success collectively than they could ever attain alone. Lastly, Napoleon Hill placed great importance on the concept of taking decisive action. He emphasized that ideas and plans alone were not enough, they needed to be accompanied by action. Hill urged readers to overcome procrastination and fear, to take calculated risks, and to seize opportunities when they presented themselves. Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich continues to be a beacon of inspiration for those who aspire to achieve greatness. Its timeless wisdom reminds us that success begins with the power of our thoughts, fueled by clear goals, unwavering determination, supportive networks, and relentless action. As we embark on our own journeys toward success, let us remember these key thoughts from Napoleon Hill's profound work and strive to unlock our full potential. The power to think and grow rich lies within each one of us. The link to the book of Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich, is in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, meet only nice people and get money for all your needs and desires.